moro, my friend.
Moro, moro.
Hello, Sophie. Let's have a cup of coffee and have some thoughts about China.
Absolutely. Of course.
My name is Lasse Liukkonen, and I have been in China for 17 years, especially in South China, Hong Kong, Shenzhen, Guangzhou, Dongguan, all very big cities. 10 million people, 20 million people, very big market in a small area. I've been bringing Finnish companies to this area, see the opportunities that exist here. This is the richest area in China, and China as a whole is a huge country with lots of opportunities. And this week we have been very busy with 73 Health, visiting very different kind of organizations, companies, stakeholders, and it has been a very good week. Sophie.
Yeah, my name is Sophie. I was born in Guangzhou and had been working in this city of 70 million population for 30 years. I have seen a lot of opportunities for remote diagnosis business in China, not only in my city. So in the past 1 week, we have been with 73, visiting different kind of organizations that we found for the public sectors. There are a lot of opportunities, but also a lot of regulations and limitations. On the other hand, we see the aging wave is coming heavily and quickly to China, and we see a lot of opportunities in the elderly care, family hospital bed, this kind of services. So we hope 73 will reach all the families and all the elderlies in China. Thank you.
So the problems are the same as Finland has already had for many years. Now the problems are coming to China, but Finland already has these solutions available. Now we just need to introduce them in China to solve this huge problem. No government in the world has money to solve the aging population problem, people living longer, healthcare costs going up, but less taxpayers. In nice way, less babies. But like this is a huge problem, and the central government in China has already woken for this issue and are looking for different ways to make healthcare system more efficient. Also, people are looking for more convenient healthcare services, higher quality healthcare services, and we have tools for that. Sophie.
Yes, if we talk about decreasing of the birth rate, we have seen. And the other hand, a lot of pets are adopted. All over China, there are about 150 million. All over China, we have 150 million pets, and the number is increasing also. But the pet care business is not very big yet. So it's about 8% of the total pet industry services. So we see huge potential in the sector of pet care.
Yeah, and that's a good point. Like it might be small percentage at the moment, but since we are China, it's a huge industry, and it's tens or hundreds times more than in Finland. So we are absolutely at the right place to do this.
Yes, in my vision is quite clear for the pet, because we have nearly all the friends around me, they have 1 or 2 pets living with them. So if in the future we have a pet kit and we have these 73 tools, I believe they can even make a test with their pets in their house, and the pets won't suffer from going out and have the clinic service.
Yeah, absolutely. We are bringing the healthcare for humans and pets equally in a more convenient and affordable way.
Yeah, many Chinese people, they would like to have Nordic quality pet services that we can also think about and could extend to other sectors that we provide pet doctors. Not only the software, we can link with the international wide services, I believe.
This is a very flexible system, and during this week we have found more and more ways to utilize it in China, and that will also work in other markets as well. We have got lots of ideas to make this great system even better.
Yeah, if we think about 73 is a super soft company, and sometimes they have business challenge that customers say, okay, you provide me software, but how about you also provide me hardwares? Actually, if we talk about the medical devices, there are about 70% of made in China medical devices are made in my city, or globally we see about 25% medical devices are made from China. So we think we could think about another kind of new business that we can export and helping 7th Street to do 2-in-1 this kind of service package to serve the customers all over the global.
Yeah, Shenzhen is a very modern city. The highest building is 600 meters tall. You can see Rolls Royces driving on the road. Everything is online, everything is electronic. Lots of money everywhere. Huge companies, which are like country size. That doesn't happen in Finland or European markets. This is totally something new.
Yeah, nowadays many property owners, they suffer from office renting. It's less and less people think about sitting in the office. People look for conveniences. After the COVID time, youngsters would like to stay home to work and or work in this kind of environment as a group. And they meet people in this, for example, the coffee shop. So we think people are becoming more and more lazy. So more and more lazy means that they need convenience in the services. So that's our chance also.
Laziness is business opportunities.
And we can provide with high-tech tools. Come to 73.
73 Health, remote health diagnostics for healthcare units, workplaces, and homes.